In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to open and rotate an image in Google Drive. This can be particularly useful if you come across images that are oriented incorrectly and you need a simple way to adjust them without using third-party software. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your Google Drive account, ensuring you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're on the main page of Google Drive, browse through your stored files until you locate the image that you want to rotate. This might be a photo you've taken or any image file that needs some adjustment. Once you found the image file, the next step is to open it. Double-click on the image and you'll notice that it opens in Google Drive's preview mode. This allows you to take a closer look at the image without actually downloading it to your local device, which is convenient and saves time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Drive's preview itself doesn't directly offer a tool for rotating images, but don't worry, we've got a handy workaround that involves using Google Docs or Google Drawings. These Google applications give us more flexibility to make the adjustments we need. Let's start with the method using Google Docs. Within Google Drive, right-click on the image you've already previewed. You'll see a menu pop up. Hover over the Open With option and select Google Docs. The image will then be placed inside a new Google document. This is where the magic happens. Once the image loads in Google Docs, you'll notice a blue rotation handle which appears as a small circle right above the image. Click on the image to activate this handle. You can now click and drag this blue circle to rotate the image to your desired angle manually. Take a moment to adjust it until it looks just right. After you're satisfied with the rotation of the image, it's time to save your work. Head over to the File menu located at the top left of the screen. Click on it and choose the Download option. From there, you can choose to either download it as a PDF or a docs, depending on what format you prefer or need for your future tasks. And there you have it. A quick, straightforward method to open and rotate images within Google Drive using Google Docs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing images in Google Drive a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.